Namaste, welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasanath and today I'll be doing the third part of consonants. Without wasting time, let us start with the quiz. I think you all will be anxiously waiting for the answers. So let us go to the quiz, then we'll go to the main topic of today's video. The first one, few of you had already done in the YouTube. You have given me in the comment box the answers, but then let me give you here. It is kha. So with a it is the full kha. Then ga. I already told you the last letter, even if it is ga full letter, you cannot give a there. Previous video I had told you about that. So now it is khag. Khag means bird. The next one, it is E. Okay? E. And then K. Eek. 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 Eek means sugarcane. The next one, U. It is. This is U. And ga. It is ug. Okay, ug. Ug means grow or produce or come up. The next one, ga, and this is a. Ga, ye, gaye means went. The next one is, one of you had written as this letter. No, this is wrong. This is rig. Okay, I have not given rig, I have given rig. So it is re. It is re. And ga. Rig. You know Rig Veda, no? You have the 4 Vedas. In that one is Rig Veda. Next one, it is I. For this I and ka. Ik. Ik means just like how you say ek. Same way it is ik. Okay? 1. Ik. The next one, here and here I told you that they remember. Now here, UNG. It is a dot g. Ang. Okay? Ang. Ang means part. A particular portion. It is ang. Okay? Now I hope you have understood and hopefully you all have got the answers right. Please do watch the video till the end because you have another quiz at the end of this video. So this video, whoever has done all right, a big clap to all of you. Now we'll be doing the second row of the letters, of the consonants. Previous 2 videos we had done on the first row of 5 letters. Now the second row of 5 letters. Now this is the pronunciation already, it comes at the palate of the above palate like ch. If you keep pronounce this itself, you will know ch, ch, j, j, nya. Ch, that means the tongue. Okay, the tongue. For example, the tip, if you see, it goes straight away up before the teeth above. It goes like that. Okay, it touches just before the teeth above, it will touch. Okay, now when the above palate, but before the teeth, not in the center but before, just above the teeth. So it will, if you pronounce this itself, you will know cha. Okay, cha. All these will sound the same place. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Okay, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Now you know I told previously also that her pressure sound comes more. So these are unaspirated sounds and these are aspirated. That is the first and the third are unaspirated, which don't give much pressure. They are soft sounds. And ch and j. See the pressure you're giving. Ch, j. Those are where you get more pressure out. The air pressure is too much out and you will give that. So those are aspirated. So the it comes out, right? It's just like in yoga you learn, no? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You do for most of your exercises. Same way, you see here how well it has been constructed, the language. Here you say chha. Don't give much pressure. The air pressure is inside. When you say this, you release chha, cha, cha, ja, ja. See the way it is? In, out. Inhale, exhale. Cha, cha, ja, ja. Yeah. Okay? Now, I hope you have understood the sounds. Now, let me go into the explanation part. Yeah, it is really interesting to learn this way. You will know exactly how it is in English, at the same time how you pronounce it in Hindi. When you learn both, you will never get confused with learning Hindi at all. Now see here, this is, I said chha. You say C-H-A, chha. I said, it's really interesting. You see here, I've given T. You might be wondering which way this cha is connected with T. But in English, we use it. See here, for cha, I've used chin, chin. Okay. Then I've used chips. Yeah, it's favorite for kids, right? Chips. Then I've used child. So everywhere I've used cha. Okay. Chips, chin, child. I've used. Now, how this T comes and what role it plays in that word you say. I don't say it is puncture. T is there, so I won't say ture or tur or anything. I say puncture, char, cha, right? Don't you think it's really interesting? See this again. Mixture, mixture, cha. Again, chur. So, it is used as cha. Now you will know how to pronounce the English word, at the same time how to pronounce a Hindi word too. Now, two places I have given just few examples in English. Now let us go to a Hindi word. This is chappal. Okay, chappal. Even in English we say chappal, right? So chappal. Chappal, footwear. The next one, chammach. Chammach. Okay, imach. Chammach. Chammach means spoon. The next one, chatai. Chatai means mat. Okay, mat. I hope you have understood for cha. Now this is aspirated sound. You give more pressure. It is chha. Chha. Now see here, actually you don't have much in English to give more pressure, but when you pronounce it itself, you pronounce it with pressure. Like chair. You say chair. You don't say chair. You say chair. So I have given this word because you give pressure on that first letter there, that first syllable part. So it is chair. Now this one is a place in India, Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh. And this one, the same way I have given chappal. Okay, like how I have given here, but I have given the word here. Why? Because that cha, you give chappal. You don't say ordinary cha, though it is this one, but when you pronounce it in English, you say chappal. You don't say chappal. Okay, so I've given, but otherwise don't get confused. For chappal, it is this cha only. The next one, cha. See here, I've given a C-H-A, here C-H-H-A. So I've given two H there. Now see the words here, chat. Chat means roof or terrace. Rooftop or terrace is called chat. The next one, chadi. Chadi means stick. Okay, chadi is stick. The next one, chhatri or chhata. Chhatri or chhata. I didn't give chhata because I am focusing only on the sounds here in the first letter. So I am not giving with chhata. I am not giving. I'll concentrate that on matras when I am doing symbols. But now I am not focusing on that. So it is chhatri, umbrella. The next one, machli. Machli, fish. Okay, machli. You would have heard, no, machli jal ki rani hai. You would have read that poem also. So it is machli. Machli means fish. Okay, Now I hope you have understood these two. Now I'll just teach you how to write these two letters. Now first part is you have to start from here, okay, a sleeping line. Then you come back like this, okay. You go till here and quarter, I mean till here in this line, till this place you come reverse and you take it like this, okay. When you're taking it like that, I've done that here. Now you go up, okay. Now again I'll just show you. Go up and with that same stroke you come down, okay. With the same stroke you'll come down. See here, same stroke you'll come down and finally you'll put the line. So it's just one stroke. Sleeping line, reverse, curve, up, down, line. Okay, so simple it is. Now see here, I'll write it here. This one, just you put this way, go up and come down and then one line. Okay, now the next one, you just take a small curve, again another curve. Okay, small curve, another curve, and then turn it this way. Okay, this way. In some books you will find it only like this. I am just going to teach you. Put it like this, put one line here and then this. Okay, simple. Go with a small curve, big curve, then a curve inside, one standing line and a sleeping line on top. So this is chha and this is chha. Okay, so it's very easy. Bas. One stroke all together and finally one line on top. So that is it for the letters of these two letters. Next video I'll be doing these three. Now I've given you the quiz. I've underlined few letters. You have to identify that underlined letters represent which Hindi letter. Okay, be very clear in what I'm saying. I have underlined in some words, I've underlined two letters, in some words I've underlined one. See how I've underlined, because many of you are getting confused on what I've underlined. Here I've underlined these two letters, here I have underlined these two, here one, I've underlined Q, here I've underlined I, here I've underlined U. Okay, I've underlined these letters in each word. You have to say, now if I've underlined this, you have to say these two represent what letter. It could be a consonant, it could be a vowel, it could be anything. That I'm not telling you, but you have to find. I've just given you 6. So you can do it, right? You've been watching my videos and I think by now you all are well versed in the pronunciation or the sounds. You're पक्का in it. So आप लोग कर सकते हैं, आप मतलब होगा, ज़रूर होगा. So try it, you can do it. With that, I would like to end this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Namaste.